South Africa now, where the pandemic has slashed the country's life expectancy at birth by nearly 3.5 years. According to reports, the decline in life expectancy rates has prompted a 34% rise in the country's adult deaths this year. This is perhaps for the first time in over 2 decades. South Africa has witnessed a drop in its life expectancy rate. According to official numbers, life expectancy for males has declined from 62.4 years in 2020 to 59.3 in 2021. And for women, it has declined from 68.4 years in 2020 to 64.6 years now. South Africa has been one of the worst affected countries there, with nearly 2.3 million infections and over 67,000 COVID-19 related deaths. The surge has resulted in a 1/3 hike in the death rate, which rose from 8.8 fatalities per 1,000 in 2020 to 11.5 per 1,000 in 2021. This steep jump in COVID-19 cases has triggered a drop in life expectancy, a benchmark which can tell you how long a person can statistically expect to live if born today. But despite the rise in death toll over the past year, South Africa's total population expanded by more than 1%, breaching the 60 million mark. This is perhaps the slowest population growth South Africa has recorded in almost 20 years. Take a look at this report sent by our correspondent Calvin Ongmo.
According to Statistics South Africa, life expectancy in the country has dipped for the first time in almost 2 decades due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Life expectancy at birth for males declined by 3 years, from 62.4 in 2020 to 59.3 in 2021, and for females by nearly 4 years, from 68.4 in 2020 to 64.6 this year. However, the Statistics Agency cautioned that this was not a projection of individual lifespan, but a tool used in health policy. Despite the increase in deaths over the past year, South Africa's total population expanded by more than 1% and breached 60 million people. However, this is the slowest population growth rate recorded in almost 2 decades, according to Stats SA. The second and the third COVID-19 wave resulted in significantly higher proportions of deaths in the country than would have normally occurred. This is Calvin Ongmo from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION, World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.